Today, we're going to focus on present perfect tense. The present perfect connects the past with the present in some ways.
Here are some examples. I have lived in Pekanbaru for quite long. I lived in Pekanbaru when I was little, and I still live there now. I have seen this movie 3 times already. In my life, from the past to the present.
When we're talking about the experiences that we have had in our lives, we use the present perfect too.
Here's an example. I've been to Labuan Bajo, but I've never climbed Mount Merapi.
Here are some keywords to look and listen out for.
Have you ever fallen in love? I've never been skydiving. She's eaten in the restaurant more than 3 times.
If you have to decide if a sentence have to use the present perfect tense, think about the context. Is there a connection between the past and the present? Alright, how about you? What kind of experience that you have? Try to share in the